Hello, it's your boy NickMcNate. I'm back. Uh, okay, my headset is fuck me over. Hello. Oh. I feel like this is too loud. Okay, that was my chest. I was beating my chest like a monkey or a gorilla. How about 1.5 megadubles or whatever you call them? DP. Let's just call him DP. DB. Hi, how you doing today? You want to hear Rasmer? Okay, here we go. Oh, let's do that again. Hi, hello, it's your boy, Nick McNate. I feel horrible. Uh, oh, hi, Kishu. How you doing? I've been walking in circles. Hi, how do you doing? Okay, let's try 1 dB. It feels like nothing. How you doing? Oh no! No, 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 no. It's not what you think. Shit, we've been 2 minutes already. Think. Think of something stupid. Voice? Hello. How you doing? Shit, that was horrible. Hi. How you doing? Okay. Hi. How you doing? Are you doing good? Oh yeah. This is gonna be this is gonna be like a latest video of me fucking around. I'm gonna show this, dude. One more time. Hi, how you doing? Ugh. Hi, how you doing today? Do you want some candy? Oh no, you do. Uh. Dude, I sound like that fucking voice doing that. I'm Majora's Mask. You. Yeah, I'm bad for the. Shit. Should I just do 3 minutes? No, 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 no. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes top. Hello. How you doing? I'm good. How you doing? Oh, shut up the fuck, dog. Dog. Hi. How you doing? You like this? Good. All right, let's do vampire hunters 3 or 2. Yeah, three. What was that? What was that noise? Hello? Oh! Ah! Ah! Shit, that was a falling sound. A vampire! I got the gun! Gun! Oh yeah! Got the gun, guys. Oh! A vampire! Oh, damn! Hello? Bruh. Ow! Son of a. Hey! Oh! I think my dog is barking because I'm making too much noise. Alright. Fucking kill confirmations. Ha! Got him! I got him. Nice. Hello? Fuck. I guess that's it. Okay, we're 30 seconds. Oh, Angela! Why are you going into the breakdown? Breakdown! Oh man, I'm gonna pierce you from my weapon, my ego. Yeah, ego armor. Okay, I think that's it. Well, I'm gonna post this on YouTube. So, yeah. I was just messing around with my fucking microphone.